Good morning, Morgan. Good morning to any of Morgan's friends that have joined us for today's video. And today's video is the first in a series of videos that are going to introduce you to the BeautifulSoup module. And this module is going to be very useful for us as we go out onto the internet and we start scraping data from various websites. All right, so with that, let's go ahead and start with the reading, and then you know the deal.
BeautifulSoup is a Python library for pulling data out of HTML and XML files. It works with your favorite parser to provide idiomatic ways of navigating, searching, and modifying the parse tree. It commonly saves programmers hours or days of work. Say you found some web pages that display data relevant to your research, such as date or address information, but that do not provide any way of downloading the data directly. BeautifulSoup helps you pull particular content from a web page, remove the HTML markup, and save the information. It is a tool for web scraping that helps you clean up and parse the documents you have pulled down from the web.
All right, now, the key phrase I want you to remember from that is the parse tree. What are they talking about? Well, you're about to find out, okay? This is a file that I will have created, and it's a pretend a bit of HTML code. It's super simplified so that you'll be able to understand it. All right, and what you're going to find out is this thing has different levels to it, or it's nested, and you're going to see that in the output. We're going to talk about that more in the output. Okay, and here's the little bit of code that we're going to run. But let's go ahead and just hear this last little bit of text.
Running the Three Sisters document through BeautifulSoup gives us a BeautifulSoup object, which represents the document as a nested data structure.
BeautifulSoup. Oopsie, sorry about that. All right, so this is what we're doing. We're calling the BeautifulSoup module from BeautifulSoup version 4. And here's where we create the BeautifulSoup object. We're reading in the document, and we're doing a little HTML parsing because there's a couple of different different types of formats that we can do. It's not just HTML. There's also XML. And anyway, we'll see all that in the future. And then we print it. All right. Now, with that said, let's go over and take a look at the code. And here we are in the code. Here's the little document that I've hard-coded into the code. We go ahead and we get our BeautifulSoup module, and we create our BeautifulSoup object, and then we print that BeautifulSoup object. All right. And let's go ahead and run the code. Chugga, chugga, chugga. It's a simple output, so it shouldn't be too hard. Of course, it would help if I would hit the button. And it's done. All right, with that, let's go over and take a look at the output, and we'll talk a little bit more about this parsing tree. And here we are in the output. All right, now what I want you to see is that this is what I'm talking about nesting. Up here, okay, the dormouse story, it's within title, which is within header, which is within this whole HTML. Do you see how that works? All right, now we pop out of the header. This is all the header part. Now we go into the body. Where's the body end? Oh, look, there's the end of the body tags. Look, so now we want to look where the start tag and the bottom tag is the P. And then inside the P is the B. All right, let's do that again. P. Right? And inside the P, oh, look, there's an A. Oh, look, there's another A. Oh, there's another A. All right. Anyway, I think you begin to see it. And in the next video, we'll start actually showing you how to navigate this parsing tree, and eventually to the point where you can modify it, or at least get copies of the data. And with that, that is the end of today's video. And so you're free to go out and have some fun. Try not to get into too much trouble. And with that, we'll see you in the next video.